welcome to today's video. Today is just a regular deep clean with me. I can see that the video I put up last week didn't go down very well, so we're just gonna do a standard deep clean today. I do have like a couple of more vlogs filmed, and I do have cleaning and my daily routine and that within them. But yeah, that didn't go down very well. Maybe it's just YouTube that pushes and that doesn't push it out into the algorithm, but I don't know. Anyway, today we're deep cleaning. We're starting off in the living room. I haven't deep cleaned this room since before we went on holiday, so it was just, covered in fur, covered in grit, and I just pulled all the sofas out, gave them a good scrub, gave the whole house a good mop, and mopped some of the walls where, some of the mud splats are from the dog. So that is what we're starting off with today. I realise how repetitive it is that I clean my hob in every video, but it does get used every single day and always needs scrubbing. I wanted to disinfect the entire house mainly, with some Flora out in air, and just disinfect everything because it'd been a while since it'd been done. rinse the flooring out in the mop as well to disinfect the floors and get all of those muddy paw prints off. And then we move on to the bathroom. I'm using the Sevi bathroom cleaner. This has disinfectant within it. This is really good. It gets all of the dirt off, all of the grime. It also helps with the mold. So we're going to scrub the bathroom and then mop our way out. Today's video is really quick, but it actually took me 4 hours to film this, but it's only 10 minutes worth of footage. It's just the way it goes when you're cleaning and you speed things up. Moving on to the upstairs bathroom, I'm using the Sevi disinfectant in this one. That's it for today's video. Thank you all so much for watching, and if you can, go and give my previous video a watch. It does have cleaning in it. It's not just, daily life, it's daily cleaning as well, and it's not like intense deep cleaning. And it was fun to film, and I will carry on doing them as well as my regular cleans. But thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you again soon. Bye.